Chili, a small spice with extraordinary power. From the vast chili fields in China, which produce 70,000 tons of chili for the world every year, where each chili plant is carefully tended to produce plump chili peppers, to the production of the mighty Sriracha chili sauce originating from Vietnam, the journey from farm to bottle of spicy chili sauce on the dining table is an art. Let's explore each step in the process of growing and harvesting chili peppers on farms in China, and follow the journey of turning bright red chili peppers into the rich, famous chili sauce of Vietnam. You will be surprised by the interesting steps behind this spice that has captivated the world. Find out now. The story begins here. To grow chili peppers en masse, Chinese farmers meticulously prepare the soil to ensure the plants receive the necessary nutrients. The seeds are then nurtured in modern nurseries, where temperature, humidity, and light are carefully controlled, greatly improving the germination rate. The plants quickly germinate after 7 days of sowing and become seedlings about 5 centimeters tall after 15 days. The young chili plants are meticulously cared for in the nursery, including regular watering, adding necessary nutrients, and protecting them from pests and harsh weather conditions. This nurturing continues until the plants are strong enough to be transferred to larger fields. When the seedlings reach the desired stage of growth, about 10 to 15 centimeters tall, farmers will start to transfer them to the main cultivation areas. Today, this process has been greatly improved thanks to modern machinery, making the transplanting faster, more efficient, and more precise. The automatic transplanter carefully positions each plant with its root ball intact, minimizing the risk of damaging the roots. The spacing between plants is precisely calibrated, usually between 30 and 50 centimeters, depending on the variety. This ensures that each plant has enough space to grow healthily and photosynthesize optimally. Throughout the cultivation process, careful attention to detail and patience are essential to promote vigorous growth and high yields. Proper watering is essential for healthy growth of chili plants. Farmers often use drip or sprinkler irrigation systems to ensure efficient and even distribution of water and prevent waterlogging, especially during the rainy season. In addition to adequate watering, chili plants also need regular fertilization to provide the necessary nutrients, promote strong growth, consistent flowering, and higher yields. Timely application of plant protection chemicals, such as pesticides and fungicides, is also vital to safeguard the plants from pests, diseases, and environmental stress caused by harsh weather conditions. Chili plants are typically ready for harvest 2 to 3 months after planting, depending on the variety and care provided. When fully ripe, the peppers display a bright red or distinctive color, indicating peak flavor and quality. On large farms, modern machinery plays a crucial role in the harvesting process, significantly increasing efficiency while reducing the need for manual labor. Specialized harvesters are designed to handle plants gently, detaching ripe peppers without causing damage. Once harvested, an automatic conveyor system collects the peppers and transfers them directly to transport vehicles. The integration of smart sensors further enhances the process by minimizing crop losses, protecting plant health, and optimizing harvest yields. However, despite these advancements, mechanical harvesting still presents challenges, such as accidentally collecting peppers that haven't reached full ripeness. As a result, an additional grading and quality control step is necessary to ensure product consistency. For the remaining chili plants after harvesting by technology, farmers will collect and put them into the chili separator, then check the chili and remove the green ones, ensuring absolute quality before processing at the factory. Next is the process of making sriracha chili sauce at the factory made by Vietnamese people. The first step in the processing involves transporting the chili peppers to the factory, where they are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining impurities. Advanced sorting machines then sort the chili peppers based on size, color, and quality. Only the best chili peppers are transferred to the next stages of processing, while those of lower quality are reused as animal feed or fertilizer. They are then ground into a fine mixture. During this process, additional ingredients such as garlic, sugar, salt, vinegar, and other spices are added in precise proportions to create the characteristic flavor of sriracha chili sauce. After grinding, the chili mixture goes through a cooking stage. This step not only mixes the ingredients together, but also eliminates bacteria, extending the shelf life of the product. The mixture is cooked at the optimal temperature and timed to retain the vibrant color, characteristic flavor, and spiciness of the chili peppers. After cooking, the chili sauce is filtered to remove any remaining solids, such as seeds or skins, ensuring a smooth texture. The sauce is then cooled before being transferred to the automated bottling line. Sterilized plastic and glass bottles are accurately filled with sauce, then securely sealed. The final step in the production process is quality control. Each batch is tested for spice level, color, flavor, and safety before leaving the factory. If all standards are met, the chili sauce is labeled, packaged, and distributed to supermarkets and stores around the world. Thanks to Huifeng's advanced production process and strict quality control, the final product not only tastes delicious, but also meets all food safety standards, providing consumers with a chili sauce that is trusted and flavorful. Thank you for your support. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel and comment below. What you see wrong in the video, I will watch and edit. Thank you very much. Let's continue to the jackfruit farm in Thailand. Welcome to our incredible Thailand jackfruit farm. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey through the entire process of cultivating, nurturing, harvesting, and transforming fresh jackfruit into delicious dried snacks. Sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the fascinating story of one of Thailand's most cherished fruits. Jackfruit is a tropical wonder, famous for its enormous size and irresistible flavor. A beloved staple in Thai households and a key export, this fruit plays a significant role in both local cuisine and global markets. But how does it all begin? The journey of the jackfruit starts with selecting the finest seeds or grafts. These trees thrive in well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Thanks to Thailand's warm tropical climate and abundant rainfall, jackfruit trees flourish naturally. Farmers primarily rely on the grafting method to ensure high-quality yields, allowing them to cultivate strong, productive trees that bear the best fruit. This method is widely favored as it enables trees to grow faster while preserving the desirable traits of the parent tree. Grafting accelerates fruit production and typically results in higher yields, significantly reducing the waiting time compared to growing from seeds. When the young grafted plants reach a height of 30 to 40 centimeters, they are ready for transplantation into the fields. To ensure optimal growth, the young trees are planted 8 to 12 meters apart, giving them enough space to grow. During the initial stages, the jackfruit trees require careful care, with farmers ensuring that they receive adequate water, especially during the dry season. Pruning is another essential part of jackfruit tree care. It helps shape the tree, remove dead or diseased branches, and improve air circulation. Proper pruning not only makes the tree healthier, but also strengthens the tree's structure to support the weight of large, heavy fruits. Beyond pruning, farmers must protect jackfruit trees from pests and diseases. Common threats include fruit flies, aphids, and mealybugs, which are controlled using organic pesticides and natural predators. To combat diseases like stem rot and leaf blight, farmers maintain strict orchard hygiene and cultivate disease-resistant varieties. Jackfruit trees typically start bearing fruit 3 to 4 years after planting. In Thailand, the harvesting season begins in March and lasts until June. Farmers carefully monitor the fruits for ripeness, looking for key signs such as a color change from green to yellowish-brown and a hollow sound when tapped. Harvesting jackfruit is a skilled process. Using sharp knives or sickles, farmers carefully cut the large fruits, some up to 90 centimeters long, and weighing between 5 and 30 kilos, while ensuring the tree is not damaged. In 2024, Thailand produced 500,000 tons of jackfruit, a testament to the expertise and dedication of farmers in growing one of the world's largest fruits. After harvesting, the fruits are quickly transported to processing facilities, where they are thoroughly cleaned and sorted. Only the best quality fruits are selected for drying to ensure premium results. At this facility, the jackfruits are carefully washed to remove any dirt or impurities. Once cleaned, they are peeled by hand or with a specialized machine. The golden yellow flesh, the most nutritious and flavorful part of the fruit, is carefully separated. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this cut of meat makes a delicious and healthy dried snack. At the factory, to ensure that the jackfruit is dried evenly and deliciously, workers will cut the jackfruit into uniform pieces. The remaining parts, such as fibers and seeds, will be used as organic fertilizer to grow jackfruit. note, after cutting the jackfruit, do not wash it with water. Otherwise, the inherent sweetness of the jackfruit will be lost. Then the jackfruit will be frozen at a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. This is an important step because it determines the crispiness of the jackfruit after drying. Observe if there is a thin layer of snow on the jackfruit is ready to be fried. Next is vacuum frying. Factories in Thailand use advanced technology to dry jackfruit, drying 200 kilos of jackfruit in 1 hour. Vacuum frying has the effect of evaporating water in the raw material at low pressure and temperature. In a vacuum environment, this will make the jackfruit dry faster. The advantage of this method is that the dried jackfruit will be preserved longer under normal conditions and especially retain up to about 70% of the original jackfruit pieces. Finally, the oil separation step. So why separate the oil? Because if the oil is not separated from the jackfruit before vacuum frying, the jackfruit will not be preserved for a long time. After frying, the jackfruit still has a little oil on the surface. Then the workers will put the jackfruit into the oil extraction technology. The oil will be taken out, and the dried jackfruit pieces are almost finished products, just waiting for packaging. After completion, the jackfruit has a light yellow color, is fresh, crispy, has a natural sweetness, and a special aroma. So this product is highly appreciated and exported to many places around the world. Have you ever tried dried jackfruit produced in Thailand? What do you think? Leave a comment below to let us know, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Help us make more quality videos according to your requests if you want. Thank you for watching the video. If there are any errors, you can leave a comment below. Goodbye.